I understand how you feel.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are brand new, welcome and thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Rosanny. By the title you can tell in this video I'm just going to be doing a get ready with me. It is a talk through, but I'm just showing you guys how I get ready for a day at work at MAC. So yeah, I just take you guys along on this makeup look right over here. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Any questions you may have, leave them down below. I know I've been MIA, I'm so sorry. I'm kind of just trying to juggle my ideas and work and trying to perfect my background and trying to get new equipment. But anyways, I'm back. So I hope you guys enjoy and please leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell icon so you are notified of when I do upload. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Bye guys. To prep my skin, I'm using the Natural Radiance Primer from MAC. I just grabbed a little sample from work along with the Fast Response Eye Cream, which I'm about to apply. And this makes a huge difference in the way your under eye makeup looks and wears. There we go. And you guys know I always start with my brows done because they take the longest, but I do have a tutorial on how I fill them in down below. Just check the description box for that link as well as all the product info. Alrighty, so you guys see here, I'm setting my under eyes and specific areas of my face because this is where my skin gets oily. And as you can see, I like to press the powder into my skin, and the same goes for my under eyes. I don't bake because of the dryness that'll happen afterwards. The skin under your eyes is already drier than the skin on your face, and it's thin, so you want to hydrate your under eyes and chill with applying a lot of product under there. If you want a brightening effect, just use Emphasize by MAC. Putting a bunch of loose powder under the eye will just give you a white cast and make you look super dry. And then I'm just lightly setting the rest of my face with a little bit of a kind of like a compact foundation, just so the rest of my face is set. One of my favorite parts of doing my makeup is adding color back into my skin, which in turn adds dimension. And I cannot go without my MAC mineralized skin finishes. These are it when it comes to bronzing the skin. They have ingredients in them that are skin conditioning and anti-caking agents. So in other words, your face won't look heavy or cakey, because when you think about it, if you use any other bronzer, it's basically a darker powder, and if your face is already set, powder on top of powder is gonna look cakey. And trust me, you guys, it's happened to me. I know what I'm talking about. I'm not being biased just because I work at MAC. These are amazing and they will last you forever. So what I do bake is under my bronzer, blush, and contour to just give me a cleaner look. The best way to dust this off, and what I've noticed, is with a dual fiber brush, like this one right here on the screen, because the bristles will really blend everything. And if you notice, it's still a little lighter underneath, just go in with your skin color face compact. And then here, I'm just applying the Morphe eyelid primer. And I really like this. I never used to use primer, just concealer, but this actually makes a difference. And I don't set this either. I go straight in with my shadows, but I still use a little bit of concealer on my lids to cancel out any darkness or veins. For today's look, I'm using the Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm starting with the shade called Base as my brow bone highlight, and I'm really packing this on because I like the brightness it gives, as well as how it helps my transition shade blend. You guys are going to see how I finesse this eye look because it looks really crappy in the beginning. I first went in with Incense, which is a cooler tone, soft brown shade, and it was giving me like dirty vibes. So on the other eye, I started with Eccentric or Eccentric, however you pronounce that, which is the perfect warm tone like butternut squash transition color. And then to deepen, I use Passion in the lower crease. But let me not get too ahead of myself. You guys will see. Enjoy the tutorial. So right here on the left, you'll see that the shadow is a little more deep in tone as opposed to the shadow on the right. I went straight in with the shadow that I should have been. That's where I kind of messed up. But I'm going to show you guys the shadows in the order that they should have been used. But yeah, I do fix it because I was like, this is looking ugly. So it's supposed to be Eccentric, then Incense, and then Passion. But no biggie. That's the beauty of makeup. You can totally manipulate it to your desire. This lid shade right here is a pigment from MAC called Tan, and it's so pretty. I got so many compliments on my eyes this day. A little goes a long way though, and if you spray your brush with Fix Plus, it'll intensify the pigmentation. This is how I do my liquid wing liner. If you would like to see a separate video dedicated just to how I do so, just comment below and I will gladly film it for you all.
Question is, hello, Mimi TV. How do I feel? How do I feel Question is, I've been asked to hello. How do I feel? Question is, how do you, hello, about telling me something.
So this lip gloss right here has become my go-to lately and I'm obsessed with it. It's not sticky by any means. It's called Sky Pink from Revlon. My girl AH NEE on Instagram recommended it. And if you guys don't know who she is, here's a photo of her. She's beautiful. You should definitely follow her. I'll leave her info below. She's a makeup artist from the Bronx and is always recommending bomb-ass products. Alrighty, you guys, this is the final look and I'm actually running late, so I have to go. I would show you guys my entire outfit and everything, like my whole getup, but basically it's matte black, all black. And yeah, it's kind of like business casual. I cut my hair super short, by the way. You guys, these lashes are from AliExpress for the low. Anyways, I have to go. I'm seriously running late, so I hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.